Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use these voltage regulator modules in our projects. First of all, you need to apply the voltage to these pins considering the voltage polarity, and by using this multi-turn you are gonna achieve the desired value at this output pins. Let's get started with an example. I'm gonna use this voltage regulator to control the speed of this 12 volt fan. I soldered a socket to input pins and I'm gonna plug in the 12 volts here, and the outputs are gonna connect to the breadboard. Plug in the out plus to this red line and plug in the out minus to this blue line. Okay. Now plug in the fan. The red cable goes red and the black one goes to blue. Okay, let me keep the fan here. Okay, I'm gonna measure the output voltage by using my multimeter. So let me put the related cables here. Okay, and okay, let's get started. For input, I'm gonna use this 12 volt adapter. Okay, let me plug in. There we go. Started with 4.1 volt. I'm gonna decrease and increase the voltage, and by decreasing the speed of fan, it's gonna be decreased also, and by increasing the RPM and the speed of the fan is gonna increase. As you see, by adjusting the multi-turn, I'm able to get the desired voltage in output. Let me plug out the fan. Now, by using this voltage regulator, I'm gonna light up this red LED. However, the proper voltage for red LEDs are around 1.8 to 2.3. I should decrease the voltage. That's fine for now. Okay, increase voltage. There we go. You see, by increasing the light of the red LED is increasing also. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please don't forget to like, share and comment below. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.